एंशियंट टाइम में लोग चल के ट्रैवलिंग करते थे, बट देन एज वी हैव हर्ड, आवश्यकता आविष्कार की जननी है। तो लोगों को नीड होने लगी कि यार हम 2 दिन में ट्रैवलिंग करते हैं, वो चीज हम 6 आवर्स या 5 आवर्स या 2 आवर्स में भी तो कर सकते हैं। देन बसेस केम, देन ट्रेन्स, देन एरोप्लेन्स। तो मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि स्ट्रेस के लिए भी, स्ट्रेस को रिड्यूस करने के लिए इन फ्यूचर कुछ ऐसी चीजें आएंगी जिससे हम स्ट्रेस को सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं?
Well, Khushi, that's a very contradicting statement that you have made, and yeah, but I'll talk about the positive aspect also and the negative also. First, I'll talk about the positive aspect. See, stress, like I've already said, that stress is something that can not just, demotivate you in your entire life. It can also help you gain perspective. It can also motivate you to, get up and keep working. Kal mera exam hai, mujhe padhna chahiye. So it is not always just negative. I'll talk about the positive side first. I think in today's technology, if we are taking classes virtually, all my sessions are just on virtual based. I'm working from home past 3 months. So it is all possible because of the technology that I have access to. But on the other side, I'm not saying that there are not people who still do not have this access. There are people who are still struggling. So many students have dropped out from their schools and colleges because they did not have access to internet. So definitely it's a contradictory statement that I'm going to make. But on the other side, we always have to balance the two things, negativity and positivity. We always have to balance the two things. I think in future, like you're talking further that, ऐसे stress के लिए कोई आएगा कि management हो पाएगा. I think artificial intelligence is one of that element that I'll just speak about. It is basically, it will definitely help, and it will be the best gift to a human mankind that our history could ever get. But on the other side, I will not just say that it is positive, it is negative as well, because it is somewhere reducing my talent of, working. Everything is become it's automatic. So what would I do? Where would I use my brains? How would I do the calculations? So I think it is also an aspect where unemployment in the future time, definitely it will increase. It would be a gift in one manner also, but on the other hand, it would again be contradictory. But my opinion is that it should always be balanced. It's all right if I have money and, I'm accessing to all the things. But on the other side, I should always, be down to earth. And I should always look to people who are below me.